Once again, thank you everyone that you joined to our meeting. Today is our general Sunday meeting where we discuss results of all teams of our volunteers. And I will start updates, and of course, majority of the updates related to the IVR team and for the developer team, mobile team. And after that, I will get word to Lina, that she will share thoughts about UX UI design and about testing. And in the end of our session, as usual, we will have a time for any questions, for any suggestions, which will interesting be to discuss with you. And I'm going to start. And our incredible results, in short, in these 4 rows, it is that we finish our MVP scope for the IVR on 70%. Let me jump to our file. You see a lot of tasks were finished, and majority of them on production. And this is a huge and great success, and it's wonderful. It's amazing. Thank you, guys. And as for mobile development, we have a great results too. And our Emmanuel, our volunteer with name Emmanuel, he prepared, just a second, features for the Android mobile application. It's related for the feedback button and about authorization. And right now I'm working on show smart reminders feature, and I'm sure that in the future we will have a great and nice application, mobile application. What else? Our 2 another volunteers, they're working hard on .NET application, and this application for insurance company, and they're working hard, and they prepared some features about authorization and about feedback button. And right now, Percu Pereira are working on showing the patient list, and I'm sure that in the future we will have interesting thoughts about how we will collaborate, integrate with insurance company. And one biggest thing during this week, that many designers joined to our team, and right now we will able to provide mockups for the mobile application, for the web application, and we will have some time, and Alina will share more details about this direction related to the UX design. And let me give you a little bit more details about our MVP results in terms of detailed features. And first, this is our IVR product, and we successfully moved our salary scheduler to production. Right now we have this functionality, and we can work with any periodically recurring tasks, and it's wonderful. Next thing which we have on production, this is a OTP functionality for authorization, for the SMS verification, and for other features. And this will help for everyone to use OTP functionality to sign in to our system or our mobile application, or maybe to our web application. And this incredible mechanism which Abhishek prepared for us. Thank you so much. And 1 week ago, we successfully moved all code related to the friend matching to the production, and it works good. I'm sure that in the future we will start with the help of our volunteers this matching process, and we will try to connect some quality assurance engineers each other accordingly their availability and other things. Kevin, thank you so much for this incredible work. It was a big journey. Thank you.
No problem. We can make it better.
Yeah, sure. And not stop learning, you know, never stop learning. And anytime we have a room for improvement, every hour features and mechanism. Thank you, Karen. And our one more volunteers, Abhishek, we prepared integration with Twilio logs. Right now, this is on pull request. And I believe that we will check all together this code, and this code will help us to understand duration of the time which our patients will spend in our system. This is incredible because this will help us to understand how to communicate with our patients and how to make this better. And one more things which we achieved during this week. This is our testing. Lina, thank you so much that you tested all our new features on production. It was awesome, and I'm sure that in the future, all quality assurance engineers, they will help us to test our all applications. I mean, to make some regression testing and some functionality testing, and this will help us to go through the MVP without, you know, these toy bugs in our products. Thank you so much, Lina. Lina, actually, I'm going to give you the screen sharing that probably you will give a little bit more information about what is stated on user interface and user experience design point of view, and probably you will share with us incredible achievements of our designers.
Yeah, in this week I think it's a huge success for us because it's a new team members, new designers for us, but they all starting, you know, very quickly without any question. They just did the task and push me just ready Figma mockups, and it was great. And you know, I hope next week will productive as well. And we already have mockups for one question.
During this, Lina trying to handle personal stuff and try to answer
Guys, please
questions. Yeah,
please
Lina,
sorry me some
no worries. No worries.
Some
all together.
little family members have their own vision, you know, what I have to do right now. Yep. And we have mock-ups for mobile feedback page and profile page and web main page. Let me share. I can start.
Yeah, we see your Figma.
Yep. Here, let me start here. It's just
Lina,
first.
Sorry for interruption. Could you scroll up? I mean, size to make size a little bit bigger. Yeah.
1 second. Maybe. I can't do it more easy way.
Yeah.
Oh. Yep, it's a first version of mockups for our web application. How will looks our profile page, and for sign in, and for main profile page where you can log some information about your health. And it
looks beautiful. Incredible.
I think it looks really great. Yeah, because I think I never can to repeat this. I don't know how our guys do it, because it's really great and they did it so fast. And I very proud that we have
Thank you.
so
Thank you, guys.
power
Yeah,
team. Yep.
designers.
And this is mockups for our sign-in and verification page for mobile application. It's we just try to create easy way for sign-in for our clients, because a lot of our clients, we believe, will are seniors, and maybe not a lot only seniors, but we want to give the opportunity for our clients to sign in for their profile very quickly without any additional information, just with phone number and verification code, which they will have by SMS. And you can see it looks, for me, it looks very great again. And this is a mock-up for our web application. It's still in the progress, but it's already looks as well
Lina,
very,
could you make? Yeah.
yeah, sorry.
Wow, fantastic. It's very close to our website, right?
To our website, yeah. And this is again, okay, it's our mobile application, and this mock-up for profile for mobile application as well, how it will looks in your phone, your profile, where you can log any additional information about your health metrics, and how I can to
You want to jump to the next?
yep, I have some problem, sorry. And
Issues. Oh, I see.
yep.
I see.
Yep, and
Very nice.
here we have a mock-ups for feedback page for mobile application. How it looks our feedback page. You see the emoji. You can just type you like it or not like, or maybe you haven't any emotion, and you can type your feedback here, any information. And this here it looks. This is graphics of health
Our
metrics.
metrics.
Yeah,
Wow.
health metrics, and our designers prepare some additional view how we can to see our health metrics. You can see it's daily metrics. It's low and high blood pressure. You can see it, and week how it looks if you see your weekly result and monthly result, and you will see how it I saw, yeah, here, and we can see a calendar where you can just take a look on general picture during the months, for example, how many days
Wow.
your blood
Great,
pressure
great idea.
was a
Great idea.
yeah, it's a great idea. I think it's it's really a great idea, because it's very Alex, help me.
It's very simple, straightforward, and
Yep,
you can
very simple.
summarize a lot of
Yeah,
information on a small
correct.
screen. And
With one screen, and you can see how many days it was not so good. And if you will just show it for your doctor, I think for your doctors, for cardiologists, for example, if we say about blood pressure, it will be very helpful for provide to you any information about your health. I think it's really great. And one of our type of health metric, it's a graphics. You can see a graphics, how it depends of day and the time. Yeah, and that's all right now, but guys, it's a huge work for a few days, because all these mock-ups was prepared just during, I believe, 2 or 3 days. And I think you are just amazing, for me, you are just little magic, amazing guys who create something from scratch. And thank you so much for your job.
yeah, thank you, guys. And Lina, let me proceed our general agenda, and I'm sharing my screen.
Where can find this mockup?
As I right understand, Elena, you're asking how you can find this mockup. Actually, Lina created a project in Figma, and you can get this link, and probably Lina will share it.
Yeah, I will
for the all
Yeah,
everyone?
Alex, sorry to interrupt. I will provide this link for everyone. I just created this file where I collected all our mockups in one file only yesterday, and I just provided this file for our designers team, because during next week, and today we will have a meeting with them, and during next week we will try to make a general vision, you know, and with one concept, because now our mockups was prepared different persons, and we have to choose one color, you know, one conception how it will looks, and we will have a lot of questions which we have to cover, and I will provide this. Yep, I think I can, yeah, provide these links for everyone, but it's still not a final version. You know, we will work on this file and on these mockups more and more.
Lina, no worries, no worries. I'm sure that if we will provide draft version, this will be more than enough for the quality assurance engineers, for the developers, and it will be helpful anyway. And
yeah, I'll share this link in announcement in our Slack.
Thank you so much. And yeah, designers, personal thank you from my side. You are heroes on this week too, and as everyone in our community. Thank you so much. And our next thing, it's our microservice architecture, and Miguel working hard on this. Miguel is going prepared our first 4 microservices, and he will try to share this with everyone. One thought who has a PHP experience, or probably who will look this video on record, please join to the microservice architecture chat and help to Miguel to make this microservice architecture real, and because there are a lot of thoughts and how it could be handled. And just keep in mind that right now we are working in monolith architecture. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple, and I believe that in the future we will have this microservice architecture, and we'll see how this will go. Miguel, are you with us? Probably you will share some more thoughts. Let me check. No, Miguel still working on this microservice architecture. Miguel, thank you so much, and we'll see your incredible results. And our future plans for the next week, it's to be very close of finishing our headline product interactive voice recognition system. I believe that next week we will be on 90% to this goal. As for mobile development, Emmanuel, thank you so much that you started. And Mayank sent a message that he a little bit busy during this week, and I believe that 20% will be more than enough for the mobile achievement for the next week. Guys, just keep in mind that we all volunteers, and all of us has a first job, and this is only our involvement in this project is only after the main activities. Somebody of you looking for the new job, go through the interview process, other stuff, and we are not expecting that you will work every day or every week. We will be happy of any your contribution. If it will be 1 hour per week, we will be happy too. And because many of us are asking me in LinkedIn, how is it possible if I only beginner, if it's to join to your community, is it possible if I will not have a lot of time? And short answer, yes, it's possible. And no worries about that your contribution will be small. We will be happy of any contribution. And for our web team, I'm sure that in terms of scope of our .NET application, we will finish 50% of everything which we're gonna make for the MVP. Just keep in mind that our deadline for the MVP September, and we have a probably one true month to finish all of these things. And guys, huge thank you for all your contribution, for all your work, and for all your passion, and that you help each other, and you it's awesome. Thank you everyone, for every team, developers, designers, quality assurance testers, everyone. I'm feeling that we definitely we make this project real. And if you have any questions right now, this is time when you can unmute yourself and ask any question. Probably let's discuss something which you are thinking that this will be interesting for you. And yeah, once again, thank you everyone. This week was super great. And if we don't have any questions, any suggestions, any incredible ideas to discuss, I'm sure you will have a chance to send personal message to Lena, to me, or maybe to some of the volunteers. And yeah, thank you so much that you joined to this meeting, and see you next time.
Thank you, Alex.
Thank you.
Guy, thank you so much. Have a good weekend. Bye.
Thank you.